subordination ewo adwuma mu ade a eboa subordination na say your friends say submission as a change say submission and then collaboration so what I say so we should be asking now on any adwuma any dey na ebu sometimes you have to be listening to people say go ya o me na o me adwuma ye wo me say me wonim dey sin but o mo so cast ma o say me dey ti e bia na o mo hu ade bia o mo hu a ana mostly say we leader nsem no bia o ya won ta nti free won crowd for na o mo hye wase no so we coach most of nsem a e be kan players be kan wonti enya wo na e be ka kire
sure
ye ka kire management members ye ka kire ye fellow players ye ka kire supporters say the be a o mu ni say den ya obete uti a akasa ube manage no we say makada so obekaya I have a including the management, those who are closer to the management, and then the other people. Omoneme anya dwene, especially tawana mo hard last year no. Ball aye bon enne e wo Ghana say ball aye bon. E wiase bebia, enu say ya ja team na ma wonko afa ye de wo pese wo ye.
Nza semu e wo kan ya.
O de ball aye bon enne e wo wiase no. Ye nka say wo ye manager na wo ye coach nti wonko a enti help so be share na most of the footballers football clubs of sporting directors football directors omu coaches omu sa managers so what I say
sure
Arsenal football coach and more manager ni Arteta football coach your friends say Real Madrid football coach omu coach na Carlo Ancelotti ba no right Madiba so no ye adwuma omo coach no Carlo Ancelotti manager he managed that first do selection now manage omo players in psychology na say na Manchester United guys and omo so omo first team coaching no mpo omo coach Amorim na enye no so anya manager en fam omo so ene footballer tra say ye jama coach enko an taking a decision say the be ya team ni be football ya trust hard no
sure
hwe me gini say players bi wo akodoko ja omu kwan last year kakodoko anja ma coach ni so onye onu nko an taking this year and let's players bi nke bi da so akodoko somebody me kasa sem ni nyina
oh yes okay type
yes say coach ni player na anya dwente player ni wonko but the coach is a manager. If the coach is a manager, why can't he manage affairs? What they say we a coach obia no wonya adwena o se nipa kro ne ko na o sa kofa obibi fufroba so obia no wonya adwena o se nipa kro ne ko na kofa obibi fufroba na sema o kan no mempese magye adwum se no kra enam se entina ye me dey say what ye wan je free coach na no obi na obi ogodin nkoma na so obi na etwa antro sasa no pa me gidi so obi na atwa antro to coach pa de sasa me intimacy
dia hene
say coach ni ko ka say enya on dey ten Dubai into man opportunity sasa no dey gidi say wan for na akaton say because coach no oh you so professional to extend that utu yentimi ntu no fompo nti e dey na cover player man
okay one ane amponsa issue say bye okay
me kai
it was same thing
and am see coach we oh you so oh doctor and I onye doctor say Dr. Ogum doctor academic doctor coach oh you so professional to extend that obi enu you very say obetime the player ahye no me that's how I see him. Oh, men can say we can throw there, but say asema matene there. Ebe me den say me can say coach no or can obisa because midfield one of the key component of football. So what good midfield now we need strikers squad there. Say what good strikers now we need good midfield. Good midfield say to Michel go say ma. Good strikers say to bomb midfield there ma. To what good midfield strikers now we need good midfield. Akwa say we team no I say strong from Infinio. And I yes
sanity.
And the team is striking and the ABB. Midfield and ABB. And the coach no entimin ka say ya kofa strike midfield the bia breno onu onim no ompene and oje no. Me gidi se asem no. Obi na no kasa asem na ka dade no wo son ko oje na adwuma. Obi na no kasa asem na wo se on ko oje adwuma. But me je me pese me catch coach ni say the coach cannot claim that he's a better coach than Kosiapia. He cannot. He cannot. Ghana, as we can say, You need local coach what you prove at train say oh you better coach than Kwesi Appiah.
In Kaibi cry.
And Kwesi Appiah there. Football mu bibia wa achieve o.
Sure.
Ade e friend football mu bibia Kwesi Appiah wa achieve. And this way coach na won ye adwuma eni die ni ahombra say na wo say wo de ma no. Because the first black Ghanaian coach or the Ghana cover for World Cup. Ya try to ene otu do bia
Enye news.
Enye news ye hu Kwesi Appiah de. Na Kwesi Appiah kwa World Cup.
O de World Cup. O de World Cup 2014 with Brazil.
So on share Egypt 6 no.
No. E bin si da.
Egypt in card last one.
But no more butre kamu nyina.
But they make can say. Ene ye ka say Kwesi Appiah no na e di ye friend say. E ya qualify for Cup of Nations. Sudan. E ya de kase Sudan.
Sure.
Sudan o mukuru mukura ye war. Nti Sudan ye mo league wo no. Ye mo ball Sudan o. But o mu local players ene e ball
World Cup qualifier and African qualifiers.
Name 2 Sudanese team e ball mu league e other country. El Merreikh and Al Hilal. And I say, Ombo mu league. I think Mauritius, right? Mauritania. Or no mu league matches because of border. And there's a coach. HM first our team no the qualify for Cup of Nations. Na Ghana wom. Sa coach no ya de. Nti media say na me say Ogum ne say. Oni nkofo bi say Kwesi Appiah mo eye adwuma. Omo ha adwene. And unfortunately for him, who are Kwesi Appiah and what Johnny Malik Jabre around you.
Sure.
These are proven winners with Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko. And then Kwesi Appiah, Sabi. And then Kwesi Appiah and then Malik Jabre. And this is your Kotoko coach and also your Kotoko management member at this material moment. Now only sound of we and a year Juma. You are fortunate and lucky.
Sure.
Because born or mabubi. Omunim said Kotoko tie. Coach ni so mu nyina so akuchi Kotoko pen. In fact, bako de Kotoko abo African Cup final. Any Johnny 1993. So the experience now or one eso. To the extent that Okasema also uti because experience in him DNA. Yeah, the Kotoko like or no ya kasa Kotoko and no Malik Jaber and Kwesi Appiah. And also uti now doing as a professor as a doctor in coaching the obi anjin free ni nsem obi anso ntimi nyim free ni nsem but Kwesi Appiah mu experience in it he should not joke of it and or your manager or your coach and then at the same time manager he's managing affairs Sebi so a doctor in academics right
Sure.
Sebi so you doctors bebre Asia doctor in academics bebre Asia you go school yen wi de you doctors in Asia you know mo Asia sa any professors in Asia we know how they deal with us
Okay.
you know how the kind of respect omo dey maye enim say they no montam eti omo ye no mo ye adwuma ye show masen ye nim how they treat us so who a doctor by profession. Now say if your subordinates are complaining about your treatment, then there's something wrong. So I think he should be managing them rather than trying to coach them. The reason why I use management, we want to manage the situation, not to coach that person, because the night about that. Is me Ogum to me because one minimum. Ananya
Sure. Obey me manage you, but
he can manage me as a footballer. They make my but he want me chairman bobo. Ain't now ye should you coach in a free home. Because Obia Obo Asante Kotoko Ogum has not added anything to him. Akwese Obia Obo Real Madrid ene. Mbappe, they na Ancelotti yakano. Vinicius, they na Ancelotti yakano. Jude Bellingham, they na Ancelotti yakano.
Ose omo kra.
They na odaka omo.
Ose omo.
Omo goalkeeper reference.
Kotwa.
They na Ancelotti yakano. But say me chow, and I want to prove the entire make just one fashion and cow more. None of those players and our Tom Real Madrid are less than $50 million. And I just added it. Mario check it. Huh? It means they were already established. They were what I say.
Sure.
They were already established players. Entina omubaya omudo omuwa akabom ama Ancelotti anya success. Our Real Madrid. Even your Arsenal near Real Madrid, your Arsenal near Manchester and Man City, more your Man City, yeah, I see Gadula or ya Dinano. He managed Omubono. Because he did not add them anything. Even Manuel can't cry or Mukofan by. They pay almost £40 million sterling. And Mukofan by. It means you have to pay. Then what I say? You have to pay. So the person has his qualities that are. System be our born a winning bacono qualities, no. I'm gonna fit into your system, no money, no more success. Can't team ya could go move one. Ever say, no team if you are mobile, Ogum coach and the bob. No, Mr. Maybe an minimum. Go for big crowd, Ogum fish on the spot of Modomba, or Manchon Bocco, Pamom.
No more on one form by no sabe.
On one form, a beer, Dawuni. And I say, Net, ye baby, Ogum so non spot on the bob or coffin away. O cast at Tribino. Nana Benyo, a friend, Nana wasn't born.
Neither.
The night was symbol.
I don't have big. I had dingra.
Whoa. And see, I saw Ogum form by.
We know, sir. Once
you season, no, Omokai.
Debbie.
Apart from in team men,
in Che Jamina.
and the Che Jamina. Obaka come single. Ah?
Ziggy, Nezingle.
I Ziggy or Nezingle. Omunya saw the
Julius Ofori Ziggy.
Ah, Zingle.
Senior player, dear.
No, ref, you know.
I don't buy. I don't buy. Or more info. Means also as a doctor in coaching. On Jin Tum say with me mistake Emani. So on tra ebia Giorgio yen to your home for. Ne tiasie. When somebody like me say, and next year Juma, people like Nana Pinkra. So when Nana Pinkra have problem, and that's why you a problematic person. So when Nana Pinkra Juma, never do stage. I want to problem. Nana Pinkra. That's also Subanye. Kwame,
place or the buying. Okay, somewhere, you know.
Mekano.
Ofri Bofo.
Right fullback. 2. No but 2. Yes, you to me throw ball from pole to pole. And your ball or 2 ball.
I don't be catching.
Or 2 ball or to me through ball. To me, you got to pull which part to ball now. I'll go pussy.
Rocky Jamina say over to on corner didn't buy.
On didn't buy. Or buy no.
Nana, I tell Nana point some didn't buy. Rocky Jamina.
Oh, really? Jamina ya boy. No, Rocky Jamina.
Rocky Jamina.
Over 2 no man coy.
Is there no dreams?
Over 2 no man coy.
Ishak Ufuseni. Them Oka Mabel Crowley player. Richmond Opoku. Julius Ofori Ziggy who play an
Zingle.
Nicholas was able to be. No, so
over 2.
Now, Nicholas was able to know a TV Fino.
The ball penalty.
On the ball penalty now. All man is as a mula.
But who's a later? Those microphones in our place and now they were warming up into the Kotoko team. Some back last season.
Sure.
Oh, sure. That boy, and you're a true warmer for the no.
Ah, Nico, or Pamon name one.
Obenya, man of the match.
I was Sweden, I say.
No, your friends say, baby, and I am our Moldova.
Moldova, okay. Call me that, Mr. Me follow me. Where we were TikTok pa. And Tedeku. Left back bin.
And Tedeku.
So kind.
I saw for Tedeku by no sacrifice. A friend said, no, Tedeku by Tono.
About 2 Tedeku.
About 2 Tedeku.
Okay.
About 2 Tedeku.
Nicholas Mensa.
He was brain behind say you recruit Tedeku. But on recruiting we no problem now. Or in that season one.
Okay. The player back on so man acquire ham yet. Nicholas Mensa.
Nicholas Mensa. Back now call a friend say Kenyan.
Enoch Morrison.
Enoch Morrison.
So he virtually settled in the team. And I see this coach say Nisubanye into uncle coach, but you are the coach.
You have to manage it.
You see, there's two things. Nisubanye and your bad ball no honum. Those the attitude of playing a honum. Ne bad influence, those one you manage it.
Now defender and I've been more.
On a train, tin.
Is that the way the bobo?
And I've been yes,
I'm what
I'm what they say I envy. Yeah, Nana.
Hey, metrum, aye, and compa, you most of minim so mo enquire but most of di na enjoy na benyi ana amwa ejima za nya ya mfedi ya na fasi mami na
nti kwa me obi a woni na apenkra be ya adwuma a woni na apenkra be sa benya problem kwa me also a problematic person you see minim de mahu Nana papa penyi say o hin pomo na ono like o sanko obeti ma frame ha obeti ma order say embe cheme o embe cheme
hey mun ko friend ma me so wait me aye
but he feel that also me obaye ho na mene ne be jojo
sure
nti sa penyi sa no na won so ye penyi na oni ne ye adwuma na woni nya problem who a problematic person
okay
but the ambassador me tia say the coach has a contract and has no contract
coach no contract ne be July
see the coach has a contract and has no contract ana pe ekwan efa so ran kodokozi enya de e be sesa nti ensesa no Nana still be with Kotoko. I hope say they make an vote.
Matuasipa. Material can asipa.
Ensesano. A quite fast run Kotoko. Ensesano.
Debbie.
And Yensesan. So Nana continue to be with Kotoko. So your player, so your coach, so your Mazua. So only Kotoko our contractor. Can say contract a best ama obi ama recommendation say you wura say ama wonto wo twuma so so when we are working we always have to be very serious and I say we always have to be conscious of the way we deal with the leaders that we work with them because sikana ko na organa ni iskapa o sikana ene yakaza chief executives bi government agencies bi akatu omoje no Bumu de ndu kotoko coach sika
$4,000
ebi mu sika CEO fo bia omotiti VAT mu omode nam no ebi mu condition of service enu kotoko technical team
na me gina ye ball game we na kotoko supporters no mbo afu no mo kasa na sei gina hwa na akwa obi betwam guy bi coach ana ne ball gi 4,000 cedis ebi 2,000 Omba na wa oji $4,000 na omo share na omo no
supporters in the casa
supporters in some omo
kan so coach ni $4,000
yes in some omo kan
minti bida
$4,000
coach $4,000 30 days onto fuel onto rent
Debbie onto
what's our entertainment allowance
coaching course
is a always kabia or the movie say entertainment movie and disco na allowance disco na entertainment intimate kwa me dey make an say
620
amma dey metitina ema mama nkofu bi a mi huhu omu nansen
me da around the team no da
me da
ye bi a so no
me so da former players bi ne nkofu bi a mi huhu omu team
change betimi aba on
changes beba
now change the ba wo fo aso na wo fo aso
oh I'll look at the merit
okay
Mate I'll look at the merit you see bibi a baby you have to be fair assembly me twam bibi esi ansa na maka assembly if if you cannot manage somebody, some people, probably some people who cannot manage you, they make what I say. If you cannot manage, don't expect you to be also to be managed.
Sure.
If you cannot tolerate or more shawase, I'll know muye chuma. Don't expect that. Nipa I want to ocean aseno. Or what you tolerate you. Come, they make what I say. So if you ask about management and tolerance, and as a way a manager be so you have to be very tolerant.
Okay.
So you a manager, Kwame, you have to be very tolerant.
Some hard, papa.
To come in the American.
Okay.
When you say, yeah, this in your corner there. Probably Thursday, you say shower.
Sure.
Saturday, I'm not going to go league match, right?
But one more crowd near Carolinas.
I'm going to Wednesday. Until Wednesday, more commentary menu. And I yes, sir.
Okay, if you have who anymore.
Would you mean who? Mr. Wednesday, more commentary menu. More we are, and I'm wearing you. More we are there, and I'm wearing you ready. See, they make a more we are there, and I'm wearing you ready.
At a sports.
See, say that you say, Madiba, baby or tenor. And maybe I will comment to the country. See, on the also, but this or no Casabia or ma.
There be boss, Pacho, William Srow, William Pacho.
May you
say,
may you so all kinds to bet maba.